Well, hello from the road. We are here in Lexington, Virginia, and just stopped for some barbecue at Foothill Momma's Barbecue. So, just a quick little overview of what we got going on here. I got something called the Lil Pig, right? The Lil Pig?
Lil Pig.
Lil Pig. There's a big pig apparently, but I got the Lil Pig. So that is pulled pork and beans and coleslaw in one little bucket. And I got some sides with that, which is potato salad and collard greens. All pretty small portion. Wait, we have a visitor over here. What? We have a barbecue intruder. Wow, Malarkey. No banana pudding for you on this trip here at Malarkey. We could have got it. They have banana pudding.
Get her.
Oh, wait, what's going on here? Should you be eating Alex's barbecue? Okay, all right. Well, there you go. I guess as we're always looking for the Malarkey approved barbecue, we may have found it. Anyway, so this stuff's okay. It's pretty good. Haven't really made my way through the Little Pig, but we can try the potato salad here. That's good. I really like that. I mean, I would imagine the collard greens are awesome too.
They're very vinegary. I'm not sure they're your speed.
Yeah, a little vinegary. Okay, yummy. That's it. How's the Cubano panini?
It's very, very good, actually.
Little Cubano panini for
Surprisingly
Sandy.
enough, it's really good.
Foothill Momma's Barbecue here in Lexington, Kentucky. No, Virginia. We're missing Kentucky on this trip, thanks to the tire episode. Anyway, that's another video. Okay, see you later. Next stop, Wyethville, and then Nashville. Bye-bye.